So hello guys again. Right now we are just finished the first version of this maze game. We have to get the gold, and then you have to try and without hitting the black stuff. So okay. Currently we're like this in the game. And if you touch the gold, alright. So alright, let's just start doing it. Let's start making levels. Just take away this because you have to say for how many seconds. We'll also keep saying it. Say nice job. Just good job. You found the gold. Alright. Then now we're going to, this is going to be a short tutorial. The cat is going to grab it and it's going to change the level. So alright, then alright, you see this? Then go to looks and switch backdrop. Go to get a switch backdrop and next backdrop because alright, next backdrop right now, and we're gonna do a new backdrop now. 1 second. Before that, then right now duplicate and one click go to x minus 177 y minus 6. Then duplicate that and put it here. And now go to the backdrop and paint and choose a new one, which is paint. Paint a new one. I'm just gonna make it basic just to make it easier for you to look at it. So okay, that. That and that. Wait a second. I just want to try something. Really quickly. So I'm gonna go to select. It might not work. It's my first time doing this, but just go to select this, copy, and then go here and paste. Oh yeah, it worked. So I copied the golden nugget, whatever it is. I'm just going to move it away because this is like too big. Like that, and we're going to put it about like smaller. Let's try it out. I think it kind of worked. 1 second. Now we're going to make it to the first switch backdrop. When you click the green flag, it goes to the first level. Alright then. Then get a switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And let's test it out. Let's test it out. It might not work. Please. Oh no, I went too fast. Let's get it. Oh yeah, it worked. So I guess this is the end of the tutorial. So thanks for watching, and part 3 might be coming soon, or might not.